No good. Rebound by number 6 from the task force. Number 6. Ito na ang idol ko. Number 24. Anihal. Set to shoot.
Nice.
Kumuha na dos. No good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 28.
Buwan na tayo mamaya.
Number 3. Kumuha na 3. No good. Rebound by number 27. Back to shoot. Number 27 for 3. Pass. 3 balls. It's good by number 27. 3-1 po ang ating talaan. Naman po ng dalawa. Andy Aparo. Grabe. Hindi ko makita. Eto na. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Number 4. Set to shoot. Pasa sa ilalim. Bumangga. Nikasanay. Nakagawa na ball. Pero ba na? Number 28. Dribbling the ball. Magbababa na ball. Pasa ulit sa kanan. Balik sa akin sa kanya. Number 28 to number 27. Alayo yan, bossing. No good. Rebound by NBA foul number 8. Short. Rebound by the task force number 6. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4 nagpapadali. Number 4. Pasa kay number 6. Kumaldag. Reverse layup is good by number 4. Kabla po ang talaan. All three are running score. Number 28. Number 28. Attacking the paint. Floor shot. Second. Rebound by number 6. Pass to number 24. Anihal for 3. Bang! Rebound by number 24. Grabe yun. Del Pino. Number 3. Babawi ng 3. Tabingin. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 24. Anihal na naman. But it's no good.
Baba. Kaya nga.
Del Pino. Number 28 to number 27. Attacking the bank. Flow shot is good by number 27. Lamang po ang isa ang task force mga kaibigan. 6-5 ang ating talaan. 7 minutes and 90 seconds para sa ating first score. Anihal setting the play. Ang layo ng patay niya, pasa niya. Doon sa kakapi niya. Ang number niya, still ni number 8 to number 28. Number 28, kaatake. Pass to number 8. Number 8 po na yan. Bradley, violation tayo. Turnover. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Anihal, magbababa ng bola mga kaibigan. Anihal, center play. Another 3 from Anihal, but there's pasa pala sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 28. To number 27. Number 7. To number 8. Up. 7 on the line. Turnover tayo. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 24. Anihal. Number 24. Pass to number 4. Pasa ulit sa gitna. Pero napitawan na bola. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13. 2 balls is good. Lawang na po ang NCAA para mga kaibigan. Number 24. Pasa sa ilalim. Ganda pasa. There's a good rebound by number 3. Number 8 to number 28. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 3. For the 3. Bang! 3 balls by number 3. Number 24, magbababa na bola. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Ready for change from tayo. Anihal, babawi ng 3. So good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 27. Number 27, atake. Number 7, pass to number 8. 2 balls is good. 4 minutes.
Kaya mo na yung sila.
Baliw-baliw. No good.
Yan.
Number 28.
Short!
Short. Rebound by number 4. To number 13.
Tatlo kayo, tatlo.
13 ba yan? Pass to number 12. No good. Rebound.
Ano change 5?
Atay.
Take 5. Patay ka dyan. Uy, natap still in number 8. Number 8, umatake. Good balls is good. Siyam na po ang kalamangan ng MDR para mga kaibigan. Number 18. Fighting. Uy! 40 to shoot. Number 24. To number 4. Pasa sa ilalim. To number 01. 2 balls. It's good. What a play. Number 27. Magbababa na bola mga kaibigan. Aguirre. Grabe Bea defense mga kaibigan. Ito naman si number 01. Nabitawan na bola. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Good na pasa mula sa kay CJ Del Pino. 2 balls. It's good. 5-point game. Liban ang inabot ngayon ng task force mga kaibigan. Number 3. Step back. 3. This time short. Turnover tayo. Remaining time 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Del Pino. CJ Del Pino atake. Nice steal. Poldy. Number 8. Pasa sa kita. Minita uli na number 18. Number 18 na Ibet. Finds to his teammate number 01. Manalaysay. Pass to number 4. There's a foul. Basket counted yan. Foul by number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Ready for timeout. MDF Farrell. Again, rebound by number 27. Number 3. Pumukol sa gitna. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 for 3. Malakas. Save by number 18. Kanino? Save ball. Four to shoot. 4 to shoot.
Lapit to.
Patay diretso. Good! Number 37 offensive rebound. Pass to number 18. No foul call. Same ball pa din tayo. 10 to shoot mga kaibigan. Time to shoot. 2 points. It's good. Piso. Number 24. 2 numbers. Oh, but number 3. First personal foul, third team foul. Two shots para number 6. Wow, zeros. One out of 2 free throw made by number 6. Akala ko din pare. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 27. Akire for three. Diretso. But there's no good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to CJ Del Pino. Umatake na. 2 balls is good. And here's the counter attack of MD Apparel. Short. Rebound by number 8. Not good again. Rebound by number 25. Ball lead to number 8. Not good again. Rebound by number 4. Counter attack by Task Force. Pass to number 18. Mendoza. 2 balls is good.
Robin.
Lapit ko kayo kung tatawag kayo na timeout. Pero kaya number 8, time to shoot. Number 8, for 3. Malakas. Turnover tayo. Ready for change 5. Both teams. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Kung sa oy, iiling, sabi na eh. Iling muna bago travel. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Iling mo na bago magsahod ng travel. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Still in number 34. CJ Del Pino. Alley pass to number 4. 2 balls is good. Change 5 po tayo. Labang na po ang task force again. Papaya sa tinola.
Oy, trito kayo.
Number 28. 5 minutes. Pumukuha ng press si number 3. But there's no good rebound by number 17. To number 3 again. Bumangga. Nagmasay. Basket counted. May kasama pang foul. Committed by number 02. First personal foul. First team foul. Ball shot para kay number 3. For taking the lead. Good. Number 17. Pass to number 02. Komplikado. Nakomplika ang kanyang sitwasyon. Still number 28. Number 28. Atake. The Mighty Mouse. So good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Napakabilis. Number 17. Natabit-tabit mga kaibigan. Still in number 24. Still in number 02. Komplikado. 02. Umatake. Committed. Penalty. 2 shots para number 02. First choice, no good. Liputan mga hayop na yan. Ang tangking mo. Lipad-lipad sa harapan ko ba?
Kumesa kayo.
Tangking ang sineto eh. Binatumba-tumba sa akin eh.
Sato. Sato. Sato.
Yung ano dyan eh.
Pwede po.
Ayun. Time to shoot. Lucky foul by number
Travel.
02. Second personal foul, second team foul. Aguirre for 3. Not good. But rebound by number 28. Rebound by number. Wait, there's a foul committed by number 24. First personal foul, penalty. 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 2 shots para kay number 02.
Turbol komple.
First choice, good. 25-24 ang ating dalaan. Both free throws made by number 02.
Defensa, defensa.
Ito na si Mighty Mouse number 28. Pass number 27 pero nabitawan na bola. Turnover tayo.
Okay, takbo, takbo. Sikat na eh. Wala kayo na.
Number 24, Del Pino. Oh, what about by Del Pino? Pero nakuha na number 02. 02 umatake. Nabitawan na bola. Save ball.
13 shoot, 13.
Ang ganda pa sa 2 balls is good para kay 02. Number 28, Mighty Mouse. Not good. Rebound by number 02. Pass to CJ Delpino. Delpino, atake. Natapasa ka number 3. 2 balls. It's good. Palubon na palubon ka naman ngayon ng Team Task Force, mga kaibigan. 30-24 ang ating talaan.
Di ba?
Number 3. To number 17. Not good. Rebound by 02. Pinatake number 17. Soto. Pumukol na tres. Not good. Pinata sa mukha ni number 27. Number 27. Number 27, Aguirre. Nakuha niya ulit. 2 balls siya. Para kay number 27. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Task Force, mga kaibigan. Number 10. Pinasa kay number 02. Number 27. Pumukol. Namalay press. But it's not good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 02. Oh my God. Tingnan maganda. Para mamaya. All free throws made by number 02. 55 seconds. 50 seconds.
Nato!
Wow, by number 70.